What up, y'all? It's your boy Scoob back at it. Yeah, I ended up getting a package yesterday. Yeah, this right here, I know exactly what this is. Um, so yeah, I already opened it anyway, just to save y'all some time. But this is a package that I ordered from Hong Kong um, a couple of weeks ago. It was supposed to be here by the 25th, up to the 25th, but this actually came a little early. It actually came yesterday. Yeah, but the reason why I hadn't, did a video then because I just, had other things to do that I was busy with. But anyway, we got it. It's early in the morning, so I'm that excited to get this cranked out. But anyway, first I want to show y'all what I've been ordering the past week or so. I had to buy me some of this this thinner for my clear coat. It's from KBS Coatings. The #1 thinner. I just wanted to buy something that was compatible for my clear coat. It's from the same brand, KBS Coatings. And then this is the clear coat that I've already been had. It's also from KBS Coatings, as you can see right there. It's my clear diamond finish, and it's supposed to get pretty hard as a rock, rock hard. So yeah, the reason why I got this plastic over is because I had opened it, and they say that you gotta have some kind of plastic, to cover it before you put the lid on, because if you don't, it's just gonna get hard as a rock, because it's already got the hardener in it. So yeah, and you'll have to go and buy another can of this. And trust me, man, this shit is not cheap. So you want to be as careful as you can with this stuff. But at least I got the thinner. Now I can start doing my custom work. I mean, I got a lot of projects that are way overdue. Trust me. But like I say, at least I got these two. So, and my decals. Oh yeah, my stuff is gonna be right. Just watch. So anyway, let's pull these out. These cars. And oh yeah, remember kids, just a little public service announcement. Always cut away from yourself. Y'all kids at heart too. I know sometimes we make the same mistake sometimes. So yeah, enough of that jibber jabber. Let's get to it. Yeah, this is from this brand called the Diecast team, DCT for short. So yeah, what this is, these are my Maserati Granturismo. They're in 1/64 scale. So I got this red one and this blue one. I probably spent about, $11 for these. Still not cheap, especially since you're ordering from overseas. We got a hair right there. But yeah, so that kind of doubled my price. Doubled the cost, I mean. So yeah, I'm just glad to have these in. It surprised the hell out of me when I got them in yesterday. Let's get this plastic off. I apologize for that delay. But yeah, let's get it in with this red one first. You know, when I heard about that these were coming out, I had to jump on it. I want to get these as soon as possible because I'm a huge Maserati fan. I don't know if any of y'all hadn't seen. Some of y'all saw my 1/43rd scale Barago version of this car in silver. I don't. If y'all hadn't watched that video, go find it in my on my channel. You'll like it. It might even turn you on to Baragos or even 1/43rd scale altogether. So yeah, this is it. This is the baby right here. Oh yeah, this thing is gorgeous. It's pretty light, plastic base. It ain't got nothing on it. It does. The only thing that says is made in China. And trust, no offense, but it feels like it. But at least it got rubber tires, even though they're pretty thin. At least you could screw this car apart, so you could do put some custom wheels on it. But these things are so damn thin, you probably have to cut into this part right here on the base just to make room for those aftermarket wheels. But the wheels that they have on it is pretty nice. It feels like a little suspension right there too. I don't know if that is a suspension, but it feels like it. And this exhaust is a separate piece. It got these hard plastic mirrors. So word to the wise, you want to be careful with them. It kind of turns me off from, having mirrors on 1/64th scale diecast anyway, but, at least they look good. Maserati Granturismo on the back. You got these inserted tail lights with inserted headlights, and the Maserati grille with the trident in the center. There we go. Maserati emblem. It even has some detail in on the seats. Detail in the interior right there. It got the screen right there on the dashboard. That's pretty nice. This is pretty nice. I'm digging this. I really like this. I'll probably buy a couple more just to customize. They got them they not only have these in these two colors, but they got them in like orange. They got them in like green with some graphics on it. Y'all just gotta check them out for yourself. I bought these off of eBay. That's really the only place that I could find them. Now, let's get it started with this. This party started with this blue one too. Well, at least these are for something that's made in China and probably unlicensed. You know, these are pretty packaged pretty well. I have to give them that. I mean, and look, the blue one got the blue seats. Oh man, that's pretty dope. My screen blurred out on me. But yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, got the Maserati emblem. Yeah, excuse me. So yeah, this thing is pretty dope. I'm loving this. I'm kind of loving every minute of having these in my hand. Those inserted tail lights. You got the headlights. And you got the grill with the trident. Oh yeah. And this is some pretty good paint right here. I don't really see any blemishes, or at least any major ones. You know, this is actually pretty good quality. If you bought these, you know, these are, well, you got these. You got these windows that are kind of, you know, not in, but, you know, not flush, but, you know, other than that, this is actually pretty good quality for something that was, you know, unlicensed, you know, made in China. So yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, I had to go ahead and get these because, you know, as a Maserati fan, you don't really have a lot of options, and especially in 1/64th scale. So as a Maserati fan, I just decided to set out to get as much of these premium, these Maserati diecasts, as many as possible, if at all possible. Now I'm not gonna break the bank to, you know, go get them, but you know, I got to have as many Maseratis as I can in my collection. They make such beautiful cars. You know, you really can't help but to love a Maserati, at least the way it looks, the way it sounds, and probably the way it drives, you know. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm glad with y'all. I'm glad that the ones that are rocking with me keep rocking with me. The ones that, you know, hadn't, you know, made a decision yet to rock with me, go ahead and subscribe. Well, that's up to you, but you won't be disappointed. Leave a like, turn on notifications so you won't miss this video and my other ones. So thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it. All right, y'all. See y'all later.